ASTI is trending up 26.93%. This is Tuesday, the 23rd of December 2025. Over 30 million shares have crossed the tape, which is over 30 times its, yeah, okay, well, more than 30, well, close to 30 times its 50-day average of 1.283 million shares. Going by this, we can say that it is a low float stock. It is quite a low float stock. Yes, this is quite low, for a 50-day average. And the official float, that is the figure that is indicating how many shares that are freely tradable, is around 3 million. So, but that figure is always never absolute. That's just what is freely tradable. But what actually trades could be is always less. So it's quite a low float stock amongst other things. So it is trending right now, as a result of a waiver of recent teaming agreements, pilot programs, and product evaluations centered on its lightweight, flexible, thin photovoltaic modules, particularly for space, aerospace, and defense use cases. These developments have reignited investor interests as the company's technology is designed for high value environments where weight, durability, and power efficiency are critical, such as satellites, high altitude platforms, and military applications, rather than traditional terrestrial solar markets. So it's the company and its products fit into the space economy that is gradually coming into the fore. Yeah, it's gradually coming to the fore. We've seen those stocks, haven't we? You can see what I mean. This is an evidence of a stock that is probably experiencing a lot of volatility, a lot of short squeezes, a lot of thin floats. That's probably what we're dealing with here. And it's the line trend is now, well, in the short term strongly bullish. In the short term, you can see that's the 200-day moving average is sloping bullishly upwards. All the other moving averages, as you can easily imagine, are equally doing the same as well. The 10-day moving average served as a primary demand line as of last week, Thursday the 18th. Okay, so yeah, high prices are expected to remain in place at least up till the 2nd of January. No guarantee that will be the case at all. Then maybe after that, it might begin to contract. The 40-day moving average is also rising to catch any pullback. So the case is, or rather, yeah, what we should be asking I mean, is it the space economy that is warranting this extrapolation, warranting this extrapolation that's saying that higher prices will continue to print up to the 2nd of January? Is it because of that? We have a lot of things going on right now. I think with ASTS launching its satellite tomorrow, and a host of other things. SpaceX going public pretty soon. FJet, remarkable scale, or yeah, scale in utilizing what is already available to get the business going. It's quite remarkable. That's quite very clever of them. All of those things. Could it be what is warranting this extrapolation? We'll see. But in any case, momentum is expected to continue to weaken, going all the way towards the 29th of January. And after that, it might bounce, but it's not indicating that it's going to return to the sort of levels we've seen of late, beginning from early November. But it doesn't change anything. It doesn't the lack of momentum does not mean that high prices wouldn't continue to print. Yeah. So that's what we're dealing with right now. Okay, let's just quickly glance at its. It's been halted a couple of times today. Have been three times today. 3 times, yes. Also, usually the stuff of low floats. Usually the stuff of low floats. So um, coming to the 4-hour chart, what do we have? Yeah, consolidation is what is expected going all the way towards early January. Okay, and the 40-day moving average, 40 period moving average is equally rising to contain any pullback that might happen as well. So we could also apply the market grid on this on this 4 hour chart list to see if it's going to work. Depending on how this expansion has endured. It has endured. It's not a fresh spike. So the range is between 6.27 and 3.59, and the stock is currently trading at 4.96. Can we see if we have any intraday high today? Yeah, so it's I think it has an upward trajectory. So it's 4.97. This is where it is in between the resistance and the support. So the next target will be 5.25. Let's see whether we have anything here. 7.4. Okay. 7.4. This is out of touch. This grid is out. Well, yeah, it is. It hasn't reckoned. It has not reckoned with what's going on or what has happened. Yeah, we might be able to see something here on the 1 hour chart. But yeah, this is based on the data available to this the chart to the machines. That's what they have. Yeah, but this is well. It doesn't mean that that market grid is has failed. No, but it just tells you that it could still make an argument. You could still find other tools to enhance your decisions, your convictions, and all that stuff. So we can clearly see here now that we even have higher prices. That it has done already today. You know, so let's see now 5.22. Let's see whether the algos are projected anything beyond those sort of levels. We have 6.14 here. We have 6.57, 6. Yeah, no, 7.23. We have here. Yeah, some close 7.23 close. Yes, quite close 7.23. Yeah, that's an indication that this is not an anomaly. Yeah, it's not that we need to justify anything, but it's always good to come back and here and see whether the algos, whether the extrapolations reacted to that. Let's see. Okay, let's have a look at the 2 minute charts. Let's see what we have here. 5.49, 7.83. Yeah, 7.46. Yes, 6.84. It most certainly reacted. Yes, it reacted to that. 6.87. Yeah. So yeah, it's just that the market grid on the 4 hour chart just chose to ignore that, ignore the 7.4. Well, it is the 4 hour chart. It doesn't. I'm making excuses. It doesn't. It's a 4 hour chart. It doesn't. It wouldn't be able to record some of these intraday highs. Yeah, it may happen. It will flash on, but it can't print it because it's a 4 hour chart. Yeah, we have 7.83 here. It's only these mini charts that might be able to print it. So it doesn't print it. So yeah, it's in essence as well. You have to look around and yeah, dig around and flip pages to find out more as well. That's what we're doing right now. So yeah, we have here 11. We have 8.93, 10.27, 11.09. So yeah, even though the market grid at some point may have done that on the 3 minute chart. So there's no question about these single digit minute charts. So yeah, they're doing their job, but it's not as if these hourly charts, these long duration charts, are not doing their job. It's just that there can be some. I mean, it's well known that they can be. They have. They don't give you the whole. They don't give you the whole picture. They don't give you the whole picture. Yeah, it's you use them for longer trades, in long trades that the long duration trades, long duration investments and all that. So yeah, yeah. Okay, well here we have the grid as well. Here it's not reacting, hasn't. So the scope is limited, $5.5 to 2.76. But in any case, that's what's going on. The stock is currently trending, and there isn't really any fresh news as such, But it's the old news is still interesting, still fascinating to market participants, and it's of course, we know the space economy is trending, still in vogue, So we'll see how all of this will affect ASTI and much more. Thank you very much for watching this video.